there, Beth? Which one are you? Okay.
And now we have someone who shall remain me. There you go. Oh, friend, I understand. Oh, sure, Susan wrinkles in my soul. Well, camping in the moonlight with a blanket for my bed, sure the peaceful feeling in my mind. Oh, waking up in the morning with an eagle overhead makes me long to fly away before my time. I think God must be a cowboy at heart. He made wide open faces from the start. He made grass and trees and mountains and a horse to be a friend, and dreamed the neat old cowboy's home again. The nightlife in big cities, well, it's all right for a while. It sure makes you feel good when you're there. But the country so pretty, it goes on for miles, and it takes away my troubles and my cares. I think God must be a cowboy at heart. He made wide open spaces from the start. He made grass and trees and mountains and a horse to be a friend, and dreams of the old cowboy's home again. And dreams of the old cowboy's home again. Well, I'm sorry, I'm going to be pretty much about what I should have said is my voice is just about gone. And if I want to have anything for Cowboy Church anymore, I'm not going to have to throttle back a little bit. Thinking out the Marty Robbins song. It's not too many people do it, of course. One of my favorite songs. Some say I'm a drifter, say I'm no good, I'll never amount to a thing. Well, I may be a drifter, I may be no good, but there's joy in the song that I sing. Saddle track, I'm as free as a breeze on the right where I piece of cowboy poetry for you today. You know, we wouldn't have saddle traps and such if we didn't have horses. And I like to read this one. It's called Wild Horses. See him open the sun. See him open his stride as he chases the sun. Hardened hooves making thunder on the plains. The king of the prairies, the symbol of freedom. Wild as the wind that blows through his mane. A proud Spanish blood, the old world's finest. With Cortez, he sailed on the Spanish main. Served conquistadors down south of the border. Then crossed the wide river to Texas he came. Still called by the Spanish name El Cimarron, Mustang, or Mustang as he came to be known. Friend of the cowboy, and also the sire of the dun and the strawberry roan. Like cyclones or lightning, fire or flood, he's one of the West's primal forces. And may God in his mercy from heaven above grant there always should be wild horses. Well, I got time for one more here, so I'm going to slip in a little bit of history first. Back in 1907, a young man was born on a ranch not far outside a little town in northeast Texas called Tioga. His name was Orwell. Kind of a strange name to give a kid. A little surprised he went by his middle name, which I'll take in a bit. As he grew up, he learned how to play guitar and pass the time, and sang in his family's church services. When he was a little older, he got a job as a telegraph operator for the railroad up in Oklahoma. Well, one evening he was sitting there strumming guitar and singing to himself old Jimmy Rogers songs to pass the time. And who should come in wanting to sing a telegraph but the old cowboy philosopher, Will Rogers. Now, he heard young Orwell and told him, you know, you do that pretty well. You ought to go to New York, make records, look good when you get there. Well, 3 weeks later, Orwell decided he was ready to go do that. He went to New York and they listened to him and they liked him. They told him to go home, get some more experience. He was a little discouraged, but he went ahead and did it. Well, on KBOO in Tulsa, as Oklahoma's yodeling cowboy, despite the fact he could barely do a single break. He got to be very popular. So much so that he was invited to join the cast of the WSL National Line Dance out of Chicago. They decided, you know, this is really, really good. They even put him in some Western movies, got him to sing a song. In the Ken Bacon movie called An Old Santa Fe, he was a smash. And they decided to put him in movies of his own. And later on, he had a television program called The Melody Ranch program. But before it was a TV show, it was a radio program. And every week, you'd hear Johnny Bond as announcer. Wrigley Spearmint Gum presents the Melody Ranch program with the Cass County Boys and Gene Autry. You hear his big mark. I'm back in the saddle again. I'll wear a friend as a friend. Where the Lord had a feed on the loaded hips and lean. Back in the saddle again. shortly. But we've got some more great music coming up, including our next fellow, Dave Carr.